Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, A Beginner's Guide to AWS Lambda with Python Modules. Introduction. AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service that allows you to run your code without provisioning or managing servers. This tutorial will guide you through the process of creating a simple AWS Lambda function using Python modules. We'll cover the basics of setting up a Lambda function, creating a deployment package with dependencies, and testing the function in the AWS Management Console. Prerequisites. Step 1. Set up AWS Lambda function. Open the AWS Management Console and navigate to the Lambda service. Click on the Create Function button. Choose Author from Scratch, provide a name for your function, select a runtime, example Python 3.x, and set up the execution role. Click on the Create Function button to create the Lambda function. Step 2. Create a Python module. Let's create a simple Python module that our Lambda function will use. Create a file named example_module.py with the following content. Step 3. Create Lambda deployment package. To include the example_module in the Lambda function, create a deployment package. Run the following commands in the terminal. Step 4. Upload deployment package to Lambda. In the Lambda function configuration page, scroll down to the function code section. Upload the lambda_function.zip file by clicking on the Upload from drop-down and selecting .zip file. Set the handler to the module and function you want to invoke. For example, example_module.multiply_numbers. Save the changes. Step 5. Test the Lambda function. In the Lambda function configuration page, click on the Test button. Create a test event with the following JSON. Step 6. View results. Check the execution results and logs in the Monitoring tab of your Lambda function. Congratulations! You've successfully created an AWS Lambda function using a Python module. This example demonstrates a basic setup, and you can extend it by adding more modules and dependencies as needed for your specific use case. ChatGPT.